Today we will learn about WordPress domain and hosting. So let's get started. Do you want to learn how to make a website? Building a website usually costs money for domain and hosting. But if you don't have to spend any money to learn, you can use WordPress and LocalWP for free. These tools help you practice website building on your one computer. It is safe, easy, and completely free. Let's start learning today. First, go to Google or Chrome, search for LocalWP. You will see the website link. Click on it and you are ready to go, and you will get this page. After then, click create a new page. After then, you will get this page, so click continue. You will get this page. Then you will write something like my first page, and you will get where is this file. Then click continue. You will get this page. Then you click continue and you will return in this page your username and password and your email. You will write and click add site. This site will take some time for loading. You will wait for this site. After some time, you will get this page. So you will click red cross, yes, and you will look open site and click. You will get this page. Beside this site, UP admin and yes, UP admin. So you will write in this place your username and password. After then, you will log in. What will you do after then? I will talk you in the second class. So please follow me. Okay, goodbye.